Common question words and how to answer them. Question word where is used to ask about places or locations. Examples: where is my pencil? Your pencil is in the pencil case. Where do you live? I live in Makassar. Where are the students? The students are in the canteen. The secret playground. One sunny afternoon, Arif and Maya went exploring behind their school. Suddenly, they found a small gate they had never seen before. They opened it and stepped inside. "Where are we?" asked Maya. Arif looked around and said, "We are in a secret playground." There were shiny swings, a tall slide, and even a tree house. Maya asked, "Where is the slide?" Arif laughed. "The slide is next to the big tree." Then they heard quaking sounds. "Where are the ducks?" Maya asked. Arif pointed. "The ducks are swimming in the golden pond." Just then, their teacher called. "Where are you, children?" They shouted from the treehouse. "We are in the playground." It was the most exciting adventure they ever had.